Okay, I want to talk for a second about the blue code or shortcut right down here by the enter button that says entry. So that particular key or shortcut is going to help us copy a long line of text that maybe we just typed in. So why would this be helpful? It might be helpful to you if you wanted to copy a long problem with lots of operations because you accidentally messed up that particular calculation and you needed to fix it. Now, how do you get to this blue entry shortcut? Well, remember, anything in blue means that first you must hit the second button and then hit that button that it's written over. So then we would hit enter. So let me show you a problem that maybe you could have typed. So something like 52 plus 8 squared minus 3 times the quantity 4 minus 2 minus 2. And that quantity is to the third power. So that's a pretty long line, and it has quite a few operations going on in it. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, powers, some grouping with the parentheses. So if I went ahead and let's say this was the problem, I could go ahead and hit enter and it would give me my answer. But let's say I perhaps made a mistake and that maybe I didn't want 52 plus, I wanted 52 minus the rest of that information. And I just accidentally hit the plus key. If I wanted this exact same equation or expression, but I didn't want to have to retype the whole thing, then I could go through and I could hit the blue second button and then the enter button to access that entry shortcut. And that will give me the exact same line as I had in the first. And I can go back through and change whatever information using my arrow keys that I maybe messed up on or wanted to change later. So if I go ahead and change that plus to a minus, now you see I get a different answer. Okay. One of the times I find this very helpful is when we're doing any kind of long formula. So again, these order of operations problems, if I'm doing quadratic formula or something with a lot of terms in it, and then I wanted to change those lots of terms. So real quick, I'll show you a second example. Let's pretend I wanted to do the quantity of 6 squared plus 3 squared all divided by 2. So again, if I hit enter, it'll give me my value. And let's say I made a mistake. I did not want to add it. Instead, I wanted to subtract that quantity. I would hit the second button and then the enter button to access that entry shortcut and recopy that last line of text that I just typed in. And then I can use my arrow key to go back and change my plus sign to a minus sign and hit enter.